Good morning, good morning, good morning. I thought we would kick things off today jumping into Shiba Inu, one of the cryptocurrencies that I do have in my portfolio. I don't really speak too much about cryptocurrency on this channel, not enough. I will much more in 2022, and I figured this would be a great way to get the ball rolling because specifically Shiba Inu is now on CoinJar. We're here on CoinJar's their blog, and just this opening image I like because they got the Shiba Inu um, kind of standing out over everyone else that they've added. All the other coins here, yeah, they're all smaller in their image, their icon, basically drawing your attention to Shiba. Oh yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. In retrospect, it was inevitable. SHIB is here. Starting today, you can buy, sell, send, and trade Shiba Inu SHIB using your CoinJar wallet. With the CoinJar card, you can even use SHIB to do some last-minute Christmas shopping, which at the very least should give you something to chat about at family lunch. And they've added a few others as well. And, I'm going to dive into why I believe Shiba Inu might, there's an article I pulled up, I found that dives into why Shiba Inu might be on a run in 2022. And this first point here about them now being on CoinJar is basically in his first point that I'm going to touch on. But a little more with this CoinJar situation, you can see it's an Australian cryptocurrency exchange, and not just any, but one of the oldest and longest, I believe. But if we come down here a little bit more, get a little more information, it says with its CoinJar card powered by MasterCard, which it doesn't mention that on the blog post, users can make payments at merchants that accept Google Pay and or Apple Pay. You can even use SHIB to do some last minute Christmas shopping. Yes, we already heard that. And this is what I was saying. CoinJar is currently only available. The CoinJar card is currently only available in Australia, with a UK launch coming at some point in the future. CoinJar is one of the longest running cryptocurrency exchanges, having formed in 2013. CoinMarketCap ranks it the 96th highest exchange with a trading volume of, 21 million dollars in the past 24 hours. And it says CoinJar's listing comes a day after NiceHash exchange added SHIB support, making it another exchange to support SHIB before Robinhood. Big news, my friend. So I definitely wanted to make sure I jumped off with sharing that news to you guys, because that pretty much aligns with the first point in this post here, why Shiba Inu could be ready for a bull run in 2022. I think it aligns perfectly well with this first point, which is access to the token will expand. So, hey, we don't even have to wait for 2022 to see these points already starting to take action more and more. There's a direct relationship between access to a cryptocurrency and its value. As a coin becomes available on more exchanges, its price tends to increase with more investors able to own it. The presence on new exchanges acts as a seal of approval. For instance, Shiba Inu initially surged in May when it was added to Binance and OKX, and jumped 40% over a 2-day span when Coinbase Global, the biggest US-based exchange, announced that it was making the coin available. That addition helped make Shiba Inu go parabolic in October. More recently, crypto exchange Kraken added support for Shiba Inu at the end of November, which briefly sent the coin's value up 20%. Shiba Inu will likely come to more exchanges in 2022. Robinhood, which has more than 20 million active accounts on its platform, has thus far resisted calls to make the meme token available. Its crypto chief operating officer, Christine Brown, indicated in November that the company was taking a more cautious stance than some of its peers when it comes to add-in tokens. And Chief Executive Officer Vlad Tenev said on the third quarter earnings call that the regulatory environment was making it difficult to add new coins. But that could change. And adding this popular altcoin, which is any crypto aside from Bitcoin, would seem like a smart business move for Robinhood, especially because the rally in the rival Dogecoin in the spring helped drive a crypto boom at Robinhood that quarter. We all know Robinhood definitely needs some they need that love. They need that support. They need it all. So I anticipate that coming to Robinhood at some point in 2022 as well. He doesn't say that specifically. I think that's going to happen. But only time will tell. Number two is because whales love it. Ownership in Shiba Inu is highly concentrated among just a few large holders known as whales. According to research from blockchain analytics website Into the Block, in late October, 70% of Shiba Inu was owned by just 8 whales, with one owning 41% of the circulating supply. Those whales have a vested interest in putting a floor on the value of SHIB, and recently, many large accounts have been buying. In the last week, one whale added 2.9 billion SHIB coins to a stake of 31.3 billion coins, with a total value of roughly $1 million, and another one added 6.1 billion coins. According to Whale Stats, which tracks the top 1,000 Ethereum wallets, Shiba Inu is the leader by dollar value. Although there are no true insiders in crypto, whales are the next closest thing, and their support for the dog-themed cryptocurrency should ensure that its value doesn't disappear. And number three is because of the utility is improving. Like fellow meme coin Dogecoin before it, Shiba Inu has been derided as a joke cryptocurrency with no real utility. Although it's true that much of the coin's value comes from its meme status, the sudden interest generated in the coin has led to increasing utility. Online retailer Newegg Commerce, an e-commerce company focused on computers and electronics, said last month that it would begin accepting Shiba Inu tokens, and AMC Entertainment Holdings, the world's largest movie theater chain and meme stock itself, said it would also accept payments in SHIB. CEO Adam Aaron tweeted the news in November, promising that AMC would adopt Shiba Inu in the next 2 to 4 months. Cryptocurrency payment service platform BitPay said on December 9th that merchants in its network could now accept Shiba Inu as payment. Although these are just a handful of businesses, the trend is moving in the right direction and is likely to gain momentum in 2022, especially if AMC follows through on its plan, making the coin acceptable at roughly 10,000 theaters. Volatility is the only certainty. Now, I do want to make sure I cover this because I don't want people just jumping in here blindfolded. But Shiba Inu bulls should be prepared for another wild ride next year, as volatility in crypto generally and Shiba Inu specifically seems like likely to persist. Recent history offers another reason to bet on a comeback for SHIB. The coin already mounted a similar recovery after briefly spiked in May and then crashed 75%. Its October peak was roughly 150% higher than the top in May. Although the buzz around Shiba Inu in October has faded, there are a number of catalysts out there that could bring the meme coin back into vogue. Keep an eye on the 3 drivers above as we start the new year. And like I said, we're already seeing number one take action, where CoinJar now has Shiba Inu starting today, December 22nd. And I have a feeling this article is spot on, and we will see more of a nice bull run in 2022 with Shiba Inu. And if you want to start to invest and grow your money in cryptocurrency, check out my links down below in the description area. If you use BlockFi, I believe I don't know. There's always promotions. Either BlockFi or Coinbase are the main 2 current exchanges that I use. You can also buy on Webull, in which, using some of them, you can get interest with BlockFi, CoinJar, Webull. They give you free stocks if you start an open account with them. And I believe the same can be said with Coinbase right now. Maybe it's a little free money, actually, I think, if you open an account with them. So different promotions. But again, the only way you can get into the mix is by starting, right? And I wouldn't throw my life savings, no, nothing of the sort. But if you have a few extra dollars, maybe don't go out to go out balling, go out to the club for a night or whatever. Don't waste your money for a day, and instead invest it in some cryptocurrency that could be on a nice run. I mean, knowing that the do like this, just reading this opening, a little of this opening paragraph, there's no question that Shiba Inu has been one of the biggest runners of 2021. The dog themed cryptocurrency is up a remarkable 45 million%. Like, what? And I think it's still going up. I think there's still a lot of room for Shiba Inu. I think it will get more traction, especially as businesses, AMC, and other businesses like Newegg, which I use to buy, video equipment and stuff. And this mic, I think I might have got from Newegg. So knowing that you can use these platforms now, and there will probably be more, not platforms, but businesses, to make purchases with Sheeb. Yeah, I think we're heading in the right direction. So of course, this isn't legal or financial advice, just entertainment purposes, but I want to make sure you guys know what is out there, know about these other opportunities for you to grow your money. This is one way that I'm hoping to grow my money. Technically right now, even though Shiba Inu has taken a bit of a fall, as this article touched on, since it's like peaks in like October. I'm I'm still up. I'm still fine, right? I got in early enough to the point where, despite the volatility that we're currently experiencing with all of the new people who just jumped on the mix, that probably have jumped off board now because it's fallen quite a bit. Now is a time, and I wanted to hold off on making this video because I didn't want people to buy when I thought it was still high. But now might be a good safe area to buy Dogecoin, to buy Shiba Inu. Again, it's definitely a speculative and very risky, but like they say, with great risk comes great reward. So be cautious, be careful, be smart. Don't invest your life savings. But if you have some extra cash, you do want to consider investing in Shiba Inu or other cryptocurrency, I would say go for it. Shoot your shot. The only way you can score is by shooting. So hope you guys found this video helpful, motivational, encouraging as you continue or start to grow your money, specifically with cryptocurrency and Shiba Inu. But yeah, like this video, my friends. I will be making more content on cryptocurrency and Shiba Inu, and maybe some other currencies that I have in my portfolio. And yeah, so like this video. It does let me know you guys want more of this content, and also subscribe if you haven't yet. But hey, I gotta keep it moving. But you guys already know I'll see you in the next video. Peace.